2023 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV gets 54 miles of electric-only range. It's an impressive figure for the redesigned SUV. It's been a curious road for the 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Among other things, it's a 2022 model for Japan, as it will go on sale there by the end of this year. It won't reach North America until the second half of 2022, and actually, this is the fourth Outlander debut this year. The first was the standard model in February, followed by an updated previous gen hybrid model and then the next gen design just a couple of weeks ago. Now, Mitsubishi is ready to share more Outlander PHEV info, but we're still missing several pieces like horsepower and torque. We do know the Nissan Rogue-based SUV can go 54 miles, 87 kilometers, on pure electricity per WLTC ratings, thanks to a next-generation PHEV system that utilizes two electric motors front and rear, powered by a 20 kWh battery. Though we don't have specific power figures, Mitsubishi says front and rear motor output is increased by around 40% while also giving the SUV its impressive range. Utilizing dual electric motors, the 2023 Outlander PHEV's all-wheel control system gets a new active yaw control (AYC) feature that can vector power to the front and rear axles. The system can also apply brakes on the left or right wheels for torque vectoring. A booster function can send more power to the front motor when needed, and Mitsubishi also increased lift throttle deceleration to effectively give the Outlander a single-pedal operation. Of course, quicker stops still require drivers to hit the brake pedal. 7 various drive modes are available to handle different road surfaces and weather conditions. Curiously, Mitsubishi doesn't make a single mention about the Outlander's internal combustion engine. Presumably, it's the same 2.4-liter four-cylinder mill that debuted with the outgoing Outlander PHEV in February. Generating just 126 horsepower, 94 kilowatts, it's not exactly brisk, but combined output with the electric motors returned a respectable 221 HP, 165 kilowatts. Motor.one.com has requested more information from Mitsubishi regarding the engine and power output for the new version, and will jump in with an update as new details are available. Otherwise, the new Outlander PHEV wears the same skin as the standard model. Save for different readouts on the digital displays, the interior layout is also the same, and that's not a bad thing. We were suitably impressed with the Outlander's greenhouse during our first drive, and if the hybrid exhibits similar driving characteristics, it could be a very tempting choice for eco-minded buyers seeking a three-row SUV. Of course, that will depend on price, and that's information we won't have for quite a while. Mitsubishi says complete info on S-spec models along with pricing will be announced next year, closer to the Outlander PHEV's on-sale date.